Well, as the area member of parliament for Kilak North, I am excited and happy that the President of the Republic of Uganda has visited my area today and has reassured the people of Kilak North and the people of Acholi region that the government of the Republic of Uganda will continue to support this project, and particularly to make sure that the people of this region must benefit from it. Our only concern is that the design of the project has changed. They used to talk about the outgrowers and outgrowers all the time. But then there's need to have a design that will support the local people. And that is my area of contention. And I'm happy that the president has accepted that we are going to have another meeting to discuss that particular area. Otherwise, this project was supposed to benefit the local people, and it must benefit the local people. Otherwise, with mechanization, people can no longer be employed to the number that they used to have. Therefore, there must be involvement of the local people in the beneficiary of the project. That's clear.
Excellent.